A Delhi court has halted the demolition of Muslim-majority stores. In the aftermath of communal violence in New Delhi, India's Supreme Court halted the demolition of small, illegal retail shops, just days after civil authorities began tearing down the structures under the protection of police and security forces in a Muslim-majority neighbourhood of the Indian capital. The demolition operation began 4 days after violence erupted in Delhi's Muslim-majority Jahangirpuri neighbourhood during a Hindu holiday procession. The status quo in the case should be maintained until the next hearing, which is scheduled for Thursday, according to a 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court led by Chief Justice of India Ramana. According to the petitioner, the municipal authorities failed to notify neighbourhood businesses prior to the demolition. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi, MCD, which is in charge of the destruction, is run by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. On Wednesday, local police and paramilitary personnel reported to the Federal Home Ministry in Jahangirpuri, a residential neighbourhood around 25 kilometres, 14 miles, from the Indian Parliament. Hundreds of cops in riot gear encircled a few stores in a tiny Muslim neighbourhood, backed by 7 bulldozers. Ahead of the destruction, several scrap traders departed the property in the morning. A senior police officer in charge of the demolition indicated that sufficient personnel were needed to guarantee that municipal officials could carry out their duties in a peaceful manner. Dipendra Pathak, a senior police officer on the scene, stated, "We are here to give security and to preserve law and order." At least 20 persons have been detained so far in connection with the Hindu-Muslim confrontations that occurred over the weekend during a Hanuman Jayanti parade. In recent weeks, there has been an uptick in small-scale religious conflicts between Hindus and Muslims in India. Recent demolition campaigns after religious conflicts in numerous regions of India have prompted uproar, with opponents accusing Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the BJP of attempting to spread terror among India's 200 million Muslims. The accusation is denied by BJP officials and hardline Hindu leaders linked with his party. Several houses and businesses were demolished this month in the central state of Madhya Pradesh and the western state of Gujarat as a result of communal violence on the day of another Hindu holiday. The BJP is in power in both states.